Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a very special unboxing. Something I ordered for my birthday as a little present to myself. This is probably going to be the most expensive mask that's ever going to be in my collection, so I already have it open. Let's see what's inside. It's packaged in a little baggie. Let me just get that out real quick for you guys. All right, here we go. Holy crap. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. I ordered this off of eBay from a seller. Now, what he said was that this was a Rehaul Studios H40, and I mean, regardless, this thing just looks amazing. Like, and look at the detail. Oh my gosh. And if you hear the background noise, that's my rabbit eating very loudly, as he does. Look at him munching away. But just, I'm speechless. Oh my gosh. I don't have words to put together to describe how I feel right now. Just all the detail, everything. Even the hair. Hair is perfect. I couldn't have done a hairing job that good, but wow, this is just unbelievable to own this with all these. This is just amazing. This video is just gonna be a little bit rushed, I'm sorry, but this is just my first, I'd rather just make this my first genuine reaction than already have it opened for a few days and then give a reaction to a video. But my first reaction is I'm speechless. I literally, just look at it. This is just amazing. Okay, I just took it off the foam head that it was sitting on, and it was stuck together with the back by these, like this. And I looked inside and I just noticed that it has all the same, well, relatively close to the same padding that the actual mask did. That is crazy. These are much more thicker pads right here near the eyes, and these up here thinner, and there's one up here that's thick. But there's a signature. Someone signed it right there. I can't exactly tell because I'm not good with signatures at all, nor can I write one. But regardless, it's off the head now. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over this thing. I'm gonna try it on right now for you guys, see how it fits.